Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. It's 4:45 in the morning on a nice Saturday here in Iowa. We are going up to North Dakota to see a fellow automotive YouTuber, and we're going to buy a car from him. So this will be a long drive today. It's going to be a long day just in general. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, leave a like, a comment, make sure to subscribe, and let's get rolling. Run out of diesel in this state. Look who comes to the rescue.
Put this Fab Shop here.
Duff did.
Save the day, Duff. Just looking for some food to roll in over here. Never know when you're gonna pop a YouTube video off quick.
Look who I found, everybody. The old Duff dog. You're muddy, aren't you? We're here with Mortske Repair. I'm bringing this 59, this beautiful gem, back to Iowa. You guys have seen this in his Will It Run video. So yeah, we're gonna take this one back to Iowa, get it cleaned up. And I believe this car is going overseas. It's a hell of a good looking car though. It's got awesome patina to it.
Get out of my yard!
Mortske picked up a 61 Belair today, two-door hardtop, also known as a bubble top. This one's pretty rare because it's a Belair. Most of these were Impalas. Factory black, red interior, my favorite color combination. No interior. I brought him doors. No seats, no glass, but she's a cream puff. Mortke's working on an old truck bed here, and here's the infamous shop of Mortske Repair. Jesus Christ! Do it again! Do it again!
Seem to be having a lot of issues with fuel tanks today. Thanks for the help.
Let's get her loaded. Mortske hooking us up again with another 59 GM. It's a two-door sedan 59 Buick, which these are very unusual because it's a two-door sedan. They did not make a whole lot of these cars. She is pretty rough though, no rockers. The floors are out of it. But it's white with a green interior, which is kind of a cool color. Got some damage right here. Back glasses in it. It's nice. The back of these cars is just sinister. But yeah, this one has no rockers. It'll need a full quarter panel. The roof needs repair. She's probably better served as a donor. But still, it's not a bad car at all. Mortske's truck. Mortske, what year's the truck? 71 Ford. Broke clean for being 40 or 50 years old. And here's the gem that I picked up from him today. You guys all saw this thing running and driving and braking. 1959 Belair 4-door sedan, 235, 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column. All original. Custom carpet seat cover. But yeah, she is a good looking patina cruiser. So we're heading back now to Iowa from North Dakota, about an 8-hour ride. So if you guys enjoyed the video today, leave a like rating. Also comment with your favorite year of Chevrolet. I don't care what year or what make, model, whatever you guys want to call it. Comment your favorite year of GM. And make sure to subscribe for more rescues and old car videos. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you next time.